ERPNext has been around since 2009, and honestly, it's pretty impressive for what it offers. It's a completely free, open-source ERP system, and the big selling point is that you get pretty much the same functionality as those expensive systems like SAP or NetSuite, but without paying insane license fees. There aren't any sneaky premium modules locked away either. It's all there. That said, just because the software is free doesn't mean the setup is. Getting it up and running usually costs anywhere from a few thousand to tens of thousands, depending on how complicated your business is. Think of it like buying IKEA furniture, but with no instructions. You can technically do it yourself, but you'll probably want some help unless you're super handy. Once it's set up, though, you're getting a full suite in one place: accounting, CRM, inventory, project management, manufacturing, even POS. If you were to buy all of these separately from other vendors, you'd spend a fortune. Plus, the interface is clean and modern, which isn't always the case with ERP systems. The community around it is pretty active, so support is there, and performance is solid. On the flip side, if you want to customize things, you'll need technical skills or someone who has them. There can be occasional bugs, and if you don't want to deal with fixing them yourself, you'll probably end up on the $40 per month support plan. Also, the learning curve is no joke. It's not a plug-and-play kind of tool. The flexibility is both the best and worst thing about ERPNext. You can make it do almost anything, but that also means you're responsible for keeping it all running smoothly. So in the end, ERPNext is a legit alternative to the big-name ERP systems, especially if you've got technical know-how or the budget to hire someone to handle setup and maintenance. If you're hoping for something you can just install and start using right away, it's probably not for you. But if subscription fees from other platforms are eating into your profits, ERPNext is definitely worth looking into.